Shopify POS for your coffee shop. Inventory and transaction management is a vital component of running a profitable and efficient business for store owners. When it comes to optimizing procedures, improving productivity, and offering excellent customer service, the correct point of sale system may make all the difference. If you operate a coffee business, Shopify POS is the ideal solution. Click the button below to learn more about getting started. Let us investigate why. Why use Shopify POS? Shopify POS allows you to easily manage your inventory and transactions. You can simply track sales in real time, produce customized reports, and accept payments with simplicity, among other things. Furthermore, it is extremely user-friendly. Even individuals who are not technically smart will be able to rapidly learn how to utilize it. Furthermore, Shopify POS connects smoothly with other elements of your business, such as online orders and marketing initiatives. This helps you to keep track of all your sales in one location without having to worry about manually moving data between systems or dealing with complex spreadsheets. Finally, Shopify provides excellent customer service if you have any concerns or need assistance debugging an issue. What can I do with Shopify POS? With Shopify POS for your coffee business, you can handle anything from managing inventory levels to processing payments at the register. You also have access to comprehensive analytics that give insights into trends in client demand and purchasing habits, allowing you to alter prices or design targeted marketing campaigns based on the data collected by the system. Customers often like being able to pay with their preferred payment method, cash, debit card, which may assist improve sales and customer loyalty over time. Finally, you can quickly incorporate additional applications and add-ons into the system, allowing you to further personalize its capabilities while still retaining a user-friendly design, which improves productivity as well as staff morale. Shopify POS is a crucial tool for any coffee business owner trying to optimize their operations while offering outstanding customer care. It has a plethora of tools that make managing inventory and processing payments easier than ever before, as well as access to comprehensive data that allows store owners to make educated decisions about their future company strategy. Furthermore, its simple yet powerful interface means that even individuals with less computer knowledge will be able to use it efficiently, making it the ideal answer for busy cafe owners who don't have time for intricate systems. So, what are you waiting for? Click the button below to get started with Shopify POS right away.